Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best fishing rods in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Ugly Stik GX2 Spinning Rod. Although a lot of parents are inclined to pick up a very low-cost rod for their kids, it is a good idea to avoid the bargain basement and look for rods that provide a fair bit of quality. And if possible, you should always look for the most durable rod possible, to help stand up to the wear and tear kids often inflict on their rods. The Ugly Stik GX2 Spinning Rod is a great choice, and it'll suit youngsters fishing for just about any common species, from crappie to panfish to bass. Most importantly, these graphite and fiberglass rods come in a wide range of sizes, from 56 to 108 inches, including several that are ideal for youngsters. You can choose from several different powers and actions, to help provide your child with the best possible rod for his or her needs and skill level. These rods feature ugly tough guides, which enable very long casts, one-piece stainless steel inserts, and Ugly Stik's classic clear tip. Number 2. Our second best pick is KastKing Blackhawk II. Traveling anglers are often at a disadvantage when it comes to selecting a rod, forced to choose between portability and quality. But KastKing has changed that. The Blackhawk II offers both, promising a 6-piece telescopic rod that performs like a solid blank. Using Toray carbon fiber layered in a unique manner, they have designed 6 individual pieces that collapse into one another for easy transportation. When extended, each piece locks securely into place and performs like your favorite single-piece rod. The hook holder also allows your rig to remain intact when collapsed for quicker deployment. Reinforced reel seats, comfortable EVA handles and multiple floating lines guides further ensure comfort and performance in a variety of applications. You also get a choice of 14 different lengths and actions. Pros: high-quality construction with top-of-the-line materials. Single rod performance in an easy-to-transport package. Available in a wide range of sizes and actions. Available in both spinning and casting models. Backed by a 1-year warranty. Cons: users have reported a few cases of tips breaking. Number 3. Our third best pick is Okuma CELILO Graphite Rod. There was a time not so long ago when using a bait casting reel was more of an art than anything else. But now modern reels have magnetic brakes and anti-reverse features that make casting easier than ever. A great bait casting reel isn't enough, you need to have an outstanding rod to go with it. The best on the market is the Okuma CELILO Graphite Rod. Okuma CELILO Graphite Rods are made especially for tournament pros, but they're priced for everyone. They are designed to be able to throw heavy baits and catch big bass. These rods are engineered to hit the sweet spot between power and feel, optimizing the length of your cast while still providing the responsiveness you need to feel every nibble. They are marine rated, making use of stainless steel and ceramic composites so you can use them whether you're standing on the surf or fishing at the lake. They are tough and durable. It gives the power you need in order to pull a big catch off the bottom without worrying about whether or not your rod can take the stress. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Shimano Talora. Shimano's tough Talora trolling rods are the best on the market. They're a surprisingly versatile line of rods, equipped to handle whatever you throw at them. It offers a selection of 6 in this series, ranging from 7 to 10 feet long. So whether you prefer to run deep with a downrigger or slay salmon using a dipsy diver, there's a Talora rod ready to do the job. They're right in the sweet spot between affordability and durability. They're built using TC4HM rod blanks, which Shimano creates out of lightweight and responsive carbon fiber composites. They also use built-in aluminum oxide line guides, which are fused directly to the body of the rod for increased durability. The entire line of Shimano Talora rods are the gold standard for affordable freshwater trolling. They're built to take the sort of constant abuse that comes with dragging your line behind the boat. Everything from the reel seats to the grips are reinforced and overbuilt so they won't break if you hit a snag. Anglers looking for marine trolling rods should check out Shimano's Talus Blue Water series. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Gary Loomis Conquest Mag Bass Casting Rod. You can't get the best bass rod available without spending a fair amount of money, but some high-end rods, like the Gary Loomis Conquest Mag Bass Casting Rod, provide such incredible value that you'll likely forget all about the expensive price tag. If you're new to bass fishing, you might want to start out on a spinning rod, however. Available in lengths ranging from 6.5 to 7.5 feet in length, you can opt for medium, medium heavy and extra heavy powers. However, all of the models available feature fast action, which works well for most common bass fishing techniques. Made from Spiral X technology rod blanks, with through-handle technology, these rods are simultaneously sensitive and durable, and they'll help elevate your fishing to entirely new levels. In addition to the high-quality blank used as the rod's foundation, the Gary Loomis Conquest Mag also features some impressive components, including Fuji Torzite guides and full cork grips. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.